Makacho so nya Malta Guineas bi na unya sanet so so a guy pay me need Sandra or him I met you adwuma nyame adom entertainment am Ghana for tremu a
where the jayo guy sister Sandy be a guy
straight up Ghana's entertainment preferred de akọ no me ma hu bi na say ma nya hoho bi ofie ha say a they are doing amazing projects bi om dey see o mani so say on beje no. It's very beautiful. Maybe say what's na ho. Na come ho ni nya break akra. Na your name of Echechin Komo. Students of Legan. I'm kaze me Legan. I say no dance, we can dance. In Legon for harvest time wa hasia. Or something extravagant. It's very beautiful. Then no kwa. Many reggae dance hall artists based abroad, but Ghana Music Awards no. Ya nominating no. Page. Now, real quick, you know, no quantity train commands. You're best studio na afe yede and common kano ashe. So, hi, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine, Benny Stone, my dear pan. How are you too, sir?
Yeah, man. Bless up. I'm doing well. I'm doing good. How you doing? How's everybody in the studio?
I'm good, Burning. I'm good. I'm burning like a stone.
I'm telling you, you should.
Adom TV nti yebe ko yepoto ka say mo kakra onza.
That's right. Yeah. Michio Bibia.
Real quick, Burning Stone. Why the name Burning Stone? Burning Stone, then e burning ebo ne wo hefa.
Funny enough, before I was ordained on this name for this particular reggae journey.
Okay.
Min collaborate me me papa mo e dey frame me.
Oh wow.
Me di ankasa obo.
Ampa.
And they be no almost say me shipa into the be no maka say akoy oshio. So when and it's my grandfather's name also in Kumasi. So when this journey came, one day I heard, no, your name is Burning Stone, go back to your name. So it's actually my real name.
Wow, inti you heard say we are pure American. Meti ase ya we are pure American.
Yeah, because I'm a American and me and Kerniga because me Santini woman osu.
Oh, okay. It's not me per se you call the side of reggae, you know. Why the reggae music?
Reggae is a calling, reggae frame. Me had different genres as a producer, but one night reggae called me like in the middle of the night. Oh, reggae say bra. So reggae became a tool to use for my message. Okay. We were very peculiar message to cut across the whole world.
Wow.
And reggae, genre is the father of all genres.
Oh.
Meaning so anima. Reggae is the father of all genres. Intino reggae frame as a calling. Say, listen, let's work together. Intino say I'm fair. I want to mean yet.
Say what say amanone. Now yenyum. Enyum na te say wo UK honum. How is the music doing in UK?
UK is one of the so him say Bob Marley.
Okay.
Was starting a career from Britain and Peter Tosh, Joseph Hill. Obia reggae artist bia onim bia no. Omo start your way. We are privileged say music is doing very well here. Reggae music is one of the biggest genres. So
that means that the reggae music itself, you know, burning UK honum already.
It's burning sharp. So be more. So be right. Well, so be right. Into be right. Yeah. In be okay amount. Yeah.
Now today awards. Or I say obi atna say solely just reggae music. Or be awards na why then waboma baso adwuma pa moje ho. And you find yourself in that awards. How does that make you feel?
Quite great. Award the idea it's a kind of a little bit of earthly reward for all your great work. It will be hard work. Studio, and there are a lot of great reggae musicians here in the UK from the diaspora. Ghana for it be America, it be Ghana, but Ube say reggae idea a young crofo say a general for Kobolo. Hey, basa, that kind of thing. Nkofadri enko hobby bray. So be too nenisi or say and no person yeah. It's very rewarding. We say ebe bon crofo basso, ebe man crofo lamplight no about reggae music. So it's a genre beer. Ukra good message. Now the may we are senior. I mean, King of England bet reggae music.
Good.
I mean, Joe Biden bet reggae music.
Okay.
Nana Akufo-Addo bet reggae because it's kind of genre beer. So be a crap with you. Sorry, I'm going to Bob Marley.
On stone come out to change the power because a lot of people think say reggae artist you must have this rasta or so she.
That's right.
That mentality will come has say the reggae for the him so be a she.
And you'll be me and Gasama down for Shashamali on shit.
No,
and you'll be
that's true though.
Me and Gasame legend lucky to be one shit that. And you'll be no shit.
Yeah, okay. My auntie Burning Stone your back on real quick. Auntie message a woman named Koma Chain. Burning Stone and I nature chain Como reggae dancehall artist based in the UK. For the Burning Stone.
Thank you.
This is for you, Ben. Yo, what I said I don't know.
Thank you.
And I don't know, so be a catch or so only lucky to be or some looks via I'm afraid it's
in Kofobe breaker in Kofobe now back in South Africa so yeah ni band na ayejuma in Kofobe breaker
Burning Stone in BB obakwachi in fact I made the word drew where we are too good, your voice,
Amen.
Your looks, everything. So now to the awards. I don't know awards in who here at this time.
Who said like Obiaka said, reggae as song of Ghana. And Kofobe, Martin Kofobe, I said reggae as song of Ghana. In the time, Mr. Logic, Mete or radio, so any TV say, or Kase, or Starty Radio Gold Award. I was like, oh, wow, that's a good initiative because reggae and song will be. In fact, like I said to you, reggae is the mother of all genres. It's a Ghana 40 me so many years. Onim say reggae and Gasa if we high life more.
No correct.
Reggae so if we high life. There's a connection between high life and reggae.
True.
Into push the agenda of high life. Need to me push the agenda of reggae.
Yes.
Yeah, we are seeing you say reggae a very strong genre. And Ghana for also and yes say omo basa phobia omo shikeke but they are good reggae artists. Rocky Dawuni, Okas Nkofobe Bray, Shashamali, what you say, Black Rasta, Nkofobe Bray omo ye good. Into say but the award Bemusana ultimate artist or reward different people from different in the diaspora and everything like that now. Encouraging more people to come up.
To come
so
join
this is the best time.
Okay.
This is the best time to do that.
Vernon, this is home, your family. We are here for the talent.
Thank you so much.
Anytime. Any last words, final words to supporters, lovers, fans?
My last words will be love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your mind.
That's deep. I love that.
Above all, love your neighbor as yourself.
Whoa. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for the message. Are you on social media?
Thank you so much.
Social media name?
Burning Stone official on Instagram, Burning Stone UK on Twitter, Burning Stone Music on YouTube, Burning Stone official also on YouTube, TikTok, Burning Stone. Okay.
Thank you so much for joining. Do have a great day.
Thank you so much. Nyamisha Bibre. Nyamisha Bibre. Bless up.
Bless up.
Peace.
If you Burning Stone na yeneno echoche en komo via Zoom no or Ghanaian based in United Kingdom reggae dancehall artist. Uti enyum no bin kancho se eboso. Eti me drew UK dia mama njina hwa na girls are currently raising the flag of Ghana through dancing. Big up yourselves. Osmo Menjai Boom say this is for Star Girl Afonita and Star Girl Abigail. Yo, buddies, Yamoyano, you are doing the Lord's work. Raising the flag of Ghana and Maya and Kwalamienu. We are so proud of you. And trust me, Obiata Mochi, the whole Ghana, from the presidency to the ministries to every single person, Yetamochi. Keep going. With me vote more itv.com. Vote more real quick. Na yen raise the flag and azonto to the world. And Rami who fuse ODG auditorium honum. And that is massive. Say adenenyum esa. It's time for Africa. This is Africa. Fuse. on set project now we no abet to life it will be ansom artist no bia fa ne hunjimo mo azontonyom obi anya adwuma ne bi na ye nyina ye mfa flag no enko so we na course wenra watch this beautiful piece meba Legan amwa say gone unam krono be hello Legon bodin obi ambo ni den chere me
Pacha ye from me Presla Okomate
baby boy
I'm Philip Atakwe Kwansa.
that's nice
Pacha me din di Emmanuela Tete Ado.
okay
And then I'm Benis AJ.
I'm back. Which is really going now. We're just going to catch. Remember, what about the studios?
Here, Joe Sandy.
In fact, I didn't know more. You know, first of all, you better bomb a basso. Now, I catch him. We say, your time with she shamun crying with them person we know. I should be mad at some more school. No more person we age say. For the purpose of Ghana, for an obi afin or her, you know, more money to find. Dear Jumedi na mood, you know.
Okay, auntie, yeah, working on introducing dance performances our tourist site.
Okay.
Because as a oko tourist site, Ghana art forms ni na ye artifacts, your history, your abakosem. But ya sana selling out.
Yeah.
Yenhu asano our tourist.
Not yet.
Yes, not yet.
Okay.
So yenhu kwa ensure consistent.
Okay.
Once a while.
Okay.
But yeah, per se something which will be consistent a bit now.
Okay, that's beautiful. But baby boy, all kinds of seminar makai, no credit. Yeah, call tourist attraction centers be me who so be sa order. Is it the ma mo yes mo be age media say what could be that what call tourist attraction be
Oh yes, I've been to quite a few.
Few now call who so be sa.
No, not even once.
It's where no share moon crying say.
Exactly.
Okay.
Because from my perspective,
that's about go for them. When your perspective then. Perspective then. Just let go for them. When you so back at
okay. Okay, me.
Oh, we more.
The
other person can go chi. Just explain yourself in your
okay
language. How you comfortable.
Okay, let me try the chi.
Okay, and you try, mommy.
People will enjoy it.
Okay, come at that.
Inti, me who say yasano. And one can say a museum. What's it? Because Yasano, it teaches people about your life, the life of the people, like the occupation we do, things we do. Talks a lot about us. Ufa asabi to say pan logo say, pan logo to me who say yes, yeah, sana, yeah, chibibi.
I say chibibi. Pan logo yeah, there, papa. Eh, papa. Pan logo yeah, there, papa. Na. It's the now change. What's over change? Change.
See, to me change. To me, yeah, the name Pan Logo, it comes from like twisted rope.
Okay.
Talks of the rope that the fisher folks pull whenever they are working.
This is the first time I met it. That's beautiful.
Exactly.
Whoa.
So these are dances like have a lot. So we are not just bringing up the dances there, but they are performing the dances. And then if you want any information regarding the dance,
okay,
it should also be provided at this museum.
Yes, still what the makeup for. Bad. Ella, what should asa senya unya be maneka na asaya na afonita mo. Eti media ko international yin na aye proud no. So talking of say asa your culture Oba Tourist Attraction Center ho no be sir. Oh, what kind of dance is she doing? Or say, oh, that's Palogo. Oh, say, what is Palogo? It's from the guns. Well, nice, Ibisa. And I say the American as a medical. The same, oh, family project manager. Sir, it is Ibisa and I'm person more, you know.
I try, and on the say.
Next will be back on no more. When you're a sake, some more sake. Your culture, no.
Yes.
I say promoting and culture, no.
True dance.
I try.
Wow. It's baby girl, but sana local dances, traditional dances in Kwana, Mobaye.
Pacho. Yeah, school ni mum de nya no kwane.
Eh, na somebody afrafa.
Yeah, contemporary, yeah, pop, yeah, traditional.
Eh, pop. Mama pop ni bi. Eh, now pop e won sa dey. Pop ni ne say.
The movement to be my.
Oh, na, wait a minute. Dun 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 dun. Let's say, oh ma palogono. Na pop so pop. Palo pop. Ah, busia. I bet you ensem.
Because I want to say a popular dances.
Okay.
most of them find their movement technique basis from our traditional dances. So it is connected. It is not far. Yes. Yes. Yeah. I started to say Akaida you could say.
It's Akaida
traditional dance we go some say I say. It's a picking movement basis no from Gao. Do you get it?
Wow.
A lot of dances pick their movement basis from the traditional.
It's true.
Yeah.
Dance extravaganza.
Yeah.
So right now, when you're no, then I'm also shaking Ghana for some by mama. I need to some pivots. Extravaganza, most more peding.
Yeah, support.
In what way?
In giving us the platform.
To say your boss said, "Yeah, mama."
Okay. Say your region be your tourist sites or when your dance groups.
Okay.
So for us to be able to mobilize all those people, every region, affiliating them to the tourist sites so that any to say Accra or performance or baby for fronty dance groups now Accra affiliating to tourist sites are Accra.
Okay. I say no more for yana more yes edge and they be
casta.
But more na more ye. Jamon a president. Oh, we're not a program, you know. Oh, him, I would you do
small but mighty.
Small but mighty. Yeah. It's Ella me bisa. Say no more obi person or join them more. So we can more mobilize as a phone. Obi Okumase or cultural center or Sadwa. The more ye. Oh, say oh, the no kind of bebuano. Then requirements no obefa ajoin.
Pacho, it's say obehu HOD no.
Okay, HOD wo.
Pacho HOD wo.
Okay.
No behu na no discuss it. Ne opeso obe.
Okay.
Pacho.
But real quick, other four. Other na wunja number being tomorrow. More number be more the better public. Obi per se obekam even in terms of sponsorship, help, be support be number being here from also. Okay.
Presido.
Presido.
055 69 25 706.
Sisu bien.
055
okay
69 25 706.
Legon, baby girl, final words too. Omo show. Obi ama me final words on one tough am that in through no ba kokko.
Pacho dey kan ye beda munina mose say mama ye platform say first say yen so yen be introduce yen so the ye
sakese nkoma well be fiam pedu
Pacho ena asida for some come mama sorry me prophet Nigel Gazy me microphone na
wana kwa
me media team ni na make am say me da mase for support ni ade ni na my bam Pacho pese Ghana phone na hu say dance na ye can enye ni na ye asa sometimes ni yesuani ama bebre and I was say ye ma ya adwen ko ye culture so because ni ama ye beto ye no enye no na me sha ye asesi ani ya migrate obia sorry I say like on fire ye way into ye culture into na ye nkodi sorry to say other countries e chi ana bibi
okay
but nka mutimi edi yechi said ya start here na nka mo betimi so aboa ma ya
di wachi
nka bibia betimi akọ
o me han ba sa ya da sipi Manuela also chawa sorry ana
Pacho me Church of Pentecost.
Yeah, so praises and worship.
And I'm Pacho nyame Adom next week here 7th June 2 p.m.
first one no.
Pacho.
Oh, okay, pilot no.
Pacho.
That's beautiful.
Pacho invite Obi Biara na Pacho mo mbra mbe support na enyefe.
Ebe ko so we hefa.
Awa Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum.
Okay.
Pacho.
Time near 2.
Pacho time near 2 p.m.
Next week Friday.
Next week Friday. Yes.
And then now watch your prepare 2 p.m. Kwame Nkrumah ho.
Yeah.
You be share ex-president. Nah, yeah, me come on. That's nice. Okay. Yo, baby boy, the only guy.
Oh, okay. Media Michelle Bibia.
Me ho apalo go bet me answer pa.
Oh yeah.
And me ho pa Afro Rollins who didn't have my.
Nina.
I don't know. I see something. That's beautiful.
So thank you once again for this platform. And then one thing I want to voice out there is that mostly I watch talk shows a lot.
Just what I treat when you the bro for the feel free.
I watch talk shows a lot. And then when people or panels are being called on to shows to talk about our traditional art forms, our traditional dances and all that. They are mostly elderly people.
Oh, okay.
So it makes most of the youth feel like these are a topic for the elders. Do you get it?
Okay.
So for youngsters like us to pick it up, it tells them out there, say, everyone is involved, all hands on deck. So, yes. So thank you for this opportunity.
Well, and
then I'll also ask, like, this thing should be done more. Like, more young people like ourselves should be allowed to come on shows like this.
Yeah, we are there for the talent
to like voice out on our cultures, educate people, tell people what we have here. Because sometimes
now
yeah, sometimes we can say surprising things. We'll be like, hey, this small boy, and he say, yeah. So I will encourage that.
Presido. I'm a fast kakra. I like Presido.
To add to my colleagues now, yeah, Mr. Welbeck say, Auntie Sandon say that was say, yeah, multimedia, Adom TV phone, you know, as say, Mama Aquina. Auntie, as Ella rightly said, no, 7 June. At exactly 2:00 p.m.
at the Kwame Monday.
You better start some musical performances be 1:30.
Oh, okay.
Inti one bantema be Lucy, yes. Inti ye shemu nyina mo enim say mo beba be supporting Mata Echi.
Presido. I say no me so nem penifo kasa say ye betimi abe cover. Abe bobia mama.
Hey.
You're
only welcome.
We are here for the talents because send am kind, you know. Pina edinsem hu social so ade enchino yon kwaro ne ho bebu atopa akosia enumere no jeje gate wo ade a che so no ye celebrate ne e from these are things we need to support and push when in your was say your channel your energy no e continue stress say na watch no one day no what na say ama because that Sunday meet me at hot work na your chicha TikTok ni ade akata enya me kwan eti me da mo say mo be stra me and then week pepe one ye be share wo Kwame Nkrumah.
Yes.
What kind of mausoleum? Ahosepe say mobile has say so we are here for the talent like I said. Yada Ahosepe. Munti me nyame kwa mo ye bibi kaka. Osmo mami bibi aso mo so mo ye dance. Mami bibi a wo bia o de bo. Mami bibi a wo ho bia. Well be Kofi Ampadu me director. Am Poma me producer. Festus e wa ha say am one so e wa ha hair logistics GH. You won't believe that we're going to share me sano. My can't say Adaji ali etotena ho pa say ye be ye tisa for 4 hours no enye easy me ni bi enti no hair logistics and I know ye braided wake up mama or Instagram TikTok hair logistics ye sha say e kama pa watch na ye shem watama watch na ye shem say Champions League no finals na be ko so china na ye certificate anop what team be na supporting
I don't support anything right now, but Madrid must lose.
Sir, yes. Hey, hala. Watch now. You can say watch now. Tema we be sure that be against on support you be better than when you can home be. Watch now. You share what tema from an upper 8 kwesi anwuma match no e be twego. Our favorite presenters. I be wo honom Adom FM, Adom TV. Our favorite presenters singing about now the baby. Watch now disco sika ba honom. Watch now. Disco sika. Nipa beye 3-4 bidie obia de 20k ebeko fie 20,000 Ghana cedi 3,200 million bra behebo na yemfa encho. I'm the guy's queen. We need the sister son to be a guy. We need extravaganza for be corner o HD decoder na me sure koso ahweso ma me say ya because nyema foforo basesan e na ESSM na Franco Trading Enterprise there your phone papa and so efie Jakramo, yen kramo sa, ye bejamo extravagant way. Osmo jatum no munja ye extravagant way. Responsibly. Happy birthday. And come Kwame Papa Bin. Yo bros, or Netherlands. Founder of Daddy Lumba Fans Association, Netherlands. Kwame Nkwale, ye wild cry na be form ko Amsterdam ho. Adwumade no mo ye na big. Eti Kwame Papa Bin. Blessings to you, brother. We love you, style, baby. Osmo Jatum.
And Sunday, my birthday.
Hey, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Presido. Happy birthday to you. Hip, hip, hip. Happy birthday. birthday in advance, love. We're just to we are 7 I'm the say. Yeah. We know you might see about tourist attraction ho. Yeah, be her mo ano. Quick na mo so. Ya born you miss ya 7 I'm the best. Also jatu my na. Yeah, real quick. Aha. Nsi enko. What they did where unim sakra asa no di kan sa wo chi mu asa na. Ya drop beat no. Aha. Afi mo te wo ho. Oswo mu ame. Nti e be see her say. Na ja o ka ogunya anwom ne de ayade o. Osmo na ne abuade na mfanya ade ansa na yakwa ya ade ne mfanya ade ansa na yakwa. Why? Ana ma bo fetch ho. Bo fetch ho me. What it? Oh, but the na say ba be kaba na ya sa ba bi ni ade.
Ana mo be show extravaganza.
Ampa. In fact, mo fan suspense. Mo fan tani ensia next week.